you guys how to make up a receptacle. So, do your grounds first. Strip it. Next we'll do the neutrals. What I'm doing here is you got two MCs, one coming in, one going out. So making a little pigtail on it. That way the power continually goes through. If I didn't do that, if I hooked these up separately on the receptacle, if the receptacle went bad, anything down the line would not work. But if you do it like this, if this receptacle goes bad, all the rest of them in line will still work. The hops. Kind of fold them in there carefully. Make sure you're not skinning them on the box or anything. Make sure they're in there pretty good. It's just a duplex, so it's not a big deal if they're right here, but if it's GFCI, they're deeper. So you want the wires more towards the outside of the box. It's regular duplex receptacle. You always want to put the hooks. Now, if the receptacles have the little plate under the screw that pinches when you tighten the screw, you don't have to do the hooks, but these don't have this, so you just bend a little hook on it, and you always put the hook to where it's going clockwise. That way when you tighten the screw, it's twisting the wire the same way the hook is turned. If you do it backwards, as you tighten the screw, it will actually push the wire out. Nice and tight. Neutral goes to your silver wire. And your hot goes to the gold. tight. Now let's take some tape, doesn't matter which color, wrap you some tape around it. If you ever got to pull these out when the circuit's hot or anything like that, you don't want to bump the box with it. My preference, I always do the ground up. You don't have to, it just depends on what people want, but I always do the ground up. Just kind of fold them around in there carefully so you don't scar it on the box. Push it around so it's going to sit in there flat. And what I do is I kind of center the receptacle screw on that little slot that it's in. And you just want to snug these little ears, just snug those against the drywall. You don't have to crank them